Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with the new playlist for Scrum Master interview preparation. Okay, so today our topic is going to be obviously who is a Scrum Master and what is he or she is responsible for. Okay, so basically the Scrum Master is the person who is going to drive the agile project. So in a project, if you take, there will be developers team, architect team, testing team, the product owner, BA, everyone will be there. The Scrum Master basically going to act as a kind of managing role who will keep watching all the end-to-end activities performed by all these team members. Okay, and whatever the request comes from product owner, how BA is reacting to that. So basically, he is responsible for driving the agile project. Okay, overall we can say he will manage and run the project of the Scrum team. Okay, so the definition for Scrum Master we can put it as he is someone who will promote and support the usage of Scrum within the Scrum team. Okay, so this is kind of going to be the definition for who is a Scrum Master. Okay, what are the various things he or she does in this journey? So the roles or responsibilities for a Scrum Master we can list as below. So the very first point is, okay, he or she understands the theory, practices, rules, and values of the Scrum. Obviously, if he or she has to manage and they have to support the Scrum team, okay, with their views and how the project has to run, they have to first understand the theory, practices, values, or whatever be that is related to the Scrum. So their major role or responsibility is the first point. Okay. And after they understand, they have to ensure that the team follows all this. Team follow all the above values. First, they have to understand. Second, they have to ensure team follows all the above Scrum values. Okay. And the third point is anything, or we all know, right? Always the agile projects will be taken in terms of sprints, which is a very short period. So they always tend to deliver some shippable product within that sprint. So there might be any distractions or any impediments or any blockers, okay, that might hamper the progress of the project. So the Scrum Master will help to mitigate those impediments or blockers. Okay, and they'll ensure that the project gets progressed in the proper path as planned. Okay, so after this, what is the work is? So the team is like following the Scrum values. They are following the best practices. They are doing everything. And while progressing on the project work, there are no impediments or blockers. That is also like being mitigated. Scrum Master will be helping for that. So finally, what is the thing? The output, delivering the output, right? So the fourth responsibility is that he or she will ensure that team delivers the value, whatever they have decided for any sprint. Value in the sense output. Okay. So they might be planned for, to small application, say some integration or some portion to be developed or some portion to be tested and completed. So whatever the goal of the sprint, that has to be delivered or not, that the Scrum Master has to ensure that the team delivering within that sprint and it is delivered with good quality and quality. Okay, so basically what we'll rewind and see, Scrum Master, he or she is going to help to promote or support usage of the Scrum within the Scrum team and all the Agile projects. So he is basically going to act a kind of manager, okay, managing the overall Scrum team and the project. So the important responsibilities of a Scrum Master is he understands the theory, practices or rules or values, whatever they have defined for the Scrum. And not only understanding, he is going to ensure that the whole team follows all the Scrum values. And once the work is started, if there is going to be any distractions or impediments or any blockers, anything that comes in the midway that will affect the progress of the project, he has to ensure that those are mitigated. Okay. And the last point is obviously within any sprint, whatever the team wants to deliver or they have defined the delivery, that has to be delivered. That has to be ensured by the Scrum Master that the team delivers within the stipulated timeline and with expected quality. Okay. So this is the thing, guys, which I wanted to discuss with you all today. Soon we'll come up with a more number of topics on this area as well. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, do kindly support us, subscribe and also share it to your friends. All of you take care. Until then, it's your VK signing off. Bye-bye.